18 years ago, I was tasked with one of the biggest and most interesting responsibilities of my life, and that was to help take my mom's vision to reality. And her vision was to be able to give people just like her an opportunity to go out there and support their families, to be able to support their goals, and to be able to support their dreams. And that's what we've been able to do here. See, we don't run this business from an ivory tower. We're on the road 250 days a year. We're talking to our consultants not just about the business or not just about selling product or about sponsoring, but we're talking about their family needs. The days of sitting down and working with them with their budgets so they know exactly what they need to go out there and make so they can take care of their families. And really taking honest feedback and honest caring for each other is one of the most important things. This isn't just a company. You're not a number here. You're a consultant. You're consultant Sarah. You're consultant Beth. That's how we operate here because it's a family. That is the one big thing that my mom always said is she said, Chris, one of the biggest things you got to understand if you're going to take this opportunity, you're going to facilitate this, is that our consultants come first. We are a consultant first company, and we're consultants first because that's our family. We're going to spend more time with them than we're going to spend with our internal family. And you know what? You got to expect and you got to appreciate that relationship each and every day. And for 18 years, I've been doing just that. And I've had a blast getting to know the consultants all around the world and getting to know their families. But it's mutual on all sides. It's mutual because guess what? Once they're able to see the fruits of their hard work, they're ready to see those pieces, the one thing that they're able to do is the one thing that my mom's told me, which is they are able to pay it forward. And each and every day, our job is once we're able to do that, we pay it forward to somebody else. And that's why this business each year has had those double-digit increases because it's not just about going out there and selling a product. It's not just going out there and sponsoring somebody. It's about making sure that we care, we love, and respect each other with running our businesses with class and grace.
Along the 9 years that I've been in business, watching this company evolve into what it is today has been an amazing experience because I came in with no sales experience, then to find out that there are so many other women out there like me. Before I knew it, we were opening up Puerto Rico, and then now we're in South Africa, onto expanding into Canada, and I mean, it's just New Zealand, Australia. This is worldwide, and I love the fact that there's no limits. There's absolutely no limits.
This opportunity, when it was presented to me 25 years ago, I never dreamed I would be where I'm at today. I would be living my dream. I would be living on an island. I would be having the income that I have, not worrying about money, not worrying about where the bills are going to get paid at, not worrying about who is taking care of me. I'm taking care of myself. I'm taking care of my family. And that's a great feeling.
Pure Romance changes lives because it allows women me time when they attend a party. The ladies come together, they get to have some fun, they get to relax, and they get to forget about all their stresses throughout the day. So it changes our clients' lives, but it changes the consultants' lives as well. I think we can talk about the trips, we can talk about the finances, but I think the biggest thing that you would ask any Pure Romance consultant is the self-confidence, and that changes your life.
From the time that I started Pure Romance, I can tell you there was never a time that I expected to be where I'm at today. I never thought about being a worldwide brand. The only thing that I ever wanted to do is to provide a safe environment for women, to be able to educate women, to be able to educate consultants, so when they were going out, they were providing those aha moments that women are in desperate need of hearing, so they feel what we would call normal. I think that was exactly what I was doing from the day I started, that we're continuing to do today.